In this video, let us continue to solve more problems based on the transformation of general equation of straight line to different forms. Alright, here we are. We've got a question here which reads like this. It says, reduce the lines 3x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 to the normal form, and hence determine which line is nearer to the origin. So here we've got two lines which is in the general form. We first have to transform them to the normal form. So the normal form of the general equation of the straight line is given like this. It's given like minus a divided by square root, or minus ax divided by square root of a square plus b square, minus by divided by the square root of a square plus b square, equal to c divided by the square root of a square plus b square. All right. So this is the normal form of the general equation of the straight line. Now we have two equations here. First is 3x minus 4y plus 4, where we have 3x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0, where a equals 3, b equals minus 4, and c equals 4, right? So now all we have to do is just substitute these values in this equation, and then we have the normal form. So let's do that now. So we have minus, in the place of a, substitute 3. So we have minus 3x divided by square root of a square plus b square, which in this case will be 3 square plus b square. I'm not going to go deep into the solving of these because it's simple mathematics. I'll just maybe orally tell you what is done and then write down without really writing this step. So it'll be 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16, which is 25. Square root of 25 is a 5. So it'll be minus 3x divided by 5. Minus b is minus 4. So it'll be minus of minus 4, which will be plus 4y divided by, it's the same thing, so it'll be 5, equal to c. C is 4, so it'll be 4 divided by 5 again. Alright, so you know what is this, right? I mean, the normal form is like x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So 4 by 5 is that length. It also says, hence determine which line is nearer to the origin. So this 4 by 5p is the perpendicular distance from the line to the origin. So we've already got one distance. So if we find the same thing for this line, then we'll be able to compare the two p's and then come to a conclusion about which line is nearer to the origin. So let's do that now. So let's take the next line, which is 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. In this case, a equals 4, b equals minus 3, and c equals 12. Well, it's not very different at all. I mean, of course, yeah, a is 4 and a is 3. That is different. But what I'm saying is together it's 4 and 3, which doesn't make a difference to the denominator here. If a square plus b square and that being under the square root is still going to give you 5. So let us write minus, substituting the same values in this equation, we get minus a is 4. So minus 4x divided by 5. And b is negative 3. So negative of negative is positive. So plus 3y divided by 5 again equal to 12 divided by 5. So what you have to compare now, so this is p. Let me write that equation. The equation that I told is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So this is p. This is also equal to p, this 4 by 5 thing, okay? So this is exactly what we have to compare. So this 12 by 5 is the distance of this line from the origin. And so p 4 by 5 is the distance of this given line from the origin here. Okay, that is what we have to find now. So now comparing these two distances, you know that 4 by 5 is definitely lesser than 12 by 5, right? Because 4 by 5 is less than 1, 12 by 5 is a little more than 2. So therefore, 3x minus 4y plus 4 is the line that is nearer to the origin. That is very clearly, I mean, it's not even close. And yeah, before that conclusion, we can also say that we've reduced these lines to the normal form. The normal form of 3x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0 is minus 3x by 5 plus 4y by 5 equal to 4 by 5. And the normal form of 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 is minus 4x by 5 plus 3y by 5 equal to 12 by 5, all right? So that ends this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on the transformation of general equation of straight line to the different forms.